Thank you, sir. This was truly a very interesting session. I would like to know what is your opinion about EDIN and its initiatives.
I have a lot to say about EDIN and its initiative. I have been associated with EDIN for the last 4 to 5 years. I found this outfit, this organization, extremely dynamic and full of enthusiasm. All youngsters think alike, and especially their abilities, their capabilities, their skill was displayed magnificently during this COVID-19 lockdown period. They organized themselves like NGO, prepared food, packed them, and delivered across Mysore city at different places to deliver them to the needy, to the poor, to the hungry workers and other citizens. What a fantastic job. I have been observing this, you know, in a professional manner. They have undertaken this task and displayed their managerial skills, service motto, selfless attitude, and a passion for weaker sections of the society. I heartily compliment each and every member of this EDIN team for engaging into this wonderful social service. Now the activity seemed to have ended or tapering off. What next? I have something for you. You must have seen my video about these migrant laborers, about these unorganized laborers, construction laborers, what I have talked about. You have seen them on the television, you have read them in the newspapers and the magazines. If at all EDIN is interested, EDIN can undertake one gigantic task in the days to come. In their leisure time, they can reach out to these construction workers at the work site, these unorganized workers, street vendors, and try to enroll them as beneficiaries of the respective boards and get the ID cards issued to them, and try to educate them, empower them about their rights under the labor laws, about the types of benefits they are eligible. If EDIN undertakes this work, the kind of happiness that they will get when they will see that the workers got the ID card, the smart card, and some of the workers got the benefits available from the board, I tell you, there is no parallel to this. And in this regard, with my knowledge, I am ready to sensitize you people by conducting workshop to educate you people about the provisions of law, how the registration can be done, how the cards can be generated, how these people I can describe them as voiceless people, faceless people. They have no existence. They are invisible people. They have no power. They have no authority. If you are able to connect to them, if you are able to hold hand to them, if you are able to do something for them in terms of issuing of ID cards, getting the benefit, nothing is better than this, I feel so. So I congratulate each and every member of the EDIN team for undertaking a fantastic social service during this COVID-19 period. I wish them all the luck, best of luck, good health, and good future to all of them. And I also thank EDIN Synergy for giving me this opportunity of putting forth through this video my thoughts on various subjects pertaining to labor. Thank you very much.